and welcome to the 2022 Automation Fair event in Chicago. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal for Rockwell Automation and our partner Network magazine. This is the place to be if you want to see the top companies in industrial automation, and one of those companies is TCI. I'm here talking with Paul. So Paul, tell me what your company does.
We're all about power quality and helping customers with solutions that may have power quality problems, such as issues with their performance in their facility, maybe their communications or their automation, or they might be regulated by their power utility to have IEEE 519 compliance, which we work with the customer to get in compliance with.
And TCI is a Rockwell Automation technology partner, so how does that help benefit your customer?
It's a great relationship. How we do it is, if we have a customer with power quality issues, they normally also have control and automation issues, so we can reference that customer back to Rockwell. And likewise, Rockwell, if they're doing a control and automation upgrade for their customer, then they usually can have some power quality improvements in addition to those control and automation aspects that we can provide solutions for.
And there's a lot of people here, there's a lot of buzz in your booth. What are you highlighting?
Right now we've got our PQ Connect software, which is right behind me, and that gives a little bit of intelligence into our passive filters. It lets you communicate with our filters, and it tells the customer how the filter is performing and what it's doing, and also the maintenance and status of the filter.
And that's so important for power control. And there's a lot more to learn about TCI, so go to the URL at the bottom of your screen and learn how they can help you. I'm Teresa Hauk at the 2022 Automation Fair. We'll talk again.